Welcome to our coincidence lab. The overarching goal of the experiments in this lab is to observe laser-driven reaction dynamics on the level of individual particles. This is accomplished by combining a high-power fiber laser with either of two experiments. The first one is the reaction microscope. It uses a beam of cold neutral gas, which is photoionized in the center of this vacuum chamber. Using suitable detectors, we measure the spectra of ions and electrons simultaneously, or as we say, in coincidence. This allows us to create molecular movies in which one can observe the motion of atoms and electrons in real time. Recently, we have extended the experiment with a high harmonic light source. It produces short pulses in the extreme ultraviolet, which allow us to excite atoms and molecules to well-defined states and then study the ensuing reaction dynamics from there. The second experiment is the ion beam apparatus. It provides access to studying light-matter interaction in exotic targets, for example, helium hydride, which is the first molecule that has existed in the universe. An exciting addition to it is the liquid metal ion source. It produces a beam of metallic or semi-metallic ions, for example gold or silicon, and thereby it opens up a vast region of the periodic table for which we have the opportunity to study light-matter interaction for the first time.